Hello guys, today I am going to tell you guys some basic fundamentals about Python, and whoever is new to Python, welcome. I will give you a small guide about what you can do on the shell, and we're going to start a small program today to get you started. So welcome to Python. First, you have to download Python in your Windows, Mac, OS, or whatever computer you use. I use idle shell 3.14.2. You can use any Python idles. I use 3.114.2. So let's start. So for the first one, I'll introduce you to what this is. Print and then quotation marks hello world. Okay, it prints out hello world. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what this actually does. Print will make the program say what you want it to say. You get it? So if you put in inside quotation marks, you put in hello good evening, it'll print out hello good evening. So this is a function you use to make the program say something. All right, and then you in brackets you need to put quotation marks and then put in what you want it to say and then finish the quotation marks after you're done what you're supposed to say. So this right here is called a string. Anything in quotation marks is called a string, guys. So this function needs a string, and with it you can make the program say what you want it to say. So let me give you one more example. Print welcome to Python, for example. It prints out. You may be wondering what happens if you don't put the quotation marks in, right? Well, it actually, to be honest, won't work because there's going to be a syntax error. Look, welcome to Python. You'll get a syntax error. So it's important to put in quotation marks in the beginning and in the end of your sentence or words. So now, what else you could do in idle is you can do basic maths. But before we get into that, I'm going to tell you guys what are the symbols. In Python, it's a little different. So addition and subtraction is pretty much the same. So you can put 1 plus 2, and it will give you the answer 3. 2 plus 2, the answer is 4. All right? You could for subtraction, it's the same thing. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay? So for multiplication, it's not the x. This Python program does not use x. Instead of x, we use the star button. So it's shift and then you click on the number 8 key. So we can put 2 times 2, which is going to be 4. Or you can put 4 times 4, which is going to be 16. Okay? So multiplication is the star symbol. Alright, guys? Um, for division, there's 3 different types of division problems you could do. Or you can make 3 different answers out of them. So first is this normal one. You can do 4 slash 4, which means the slash means divide, okay? Division. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, obviously. 5 divided by 5 is 1. But what if there's a problem where there's a remainder and a quotient, and you only want to get the quotient? Well, what you could really do is you're gonna put 13 double slashes 2. So what this double slashes really does is it will give you the quotient to the problem. It won't add the remainder in. So what 13 divided by 2 really is 6.5, right? And I can assure you, if you do 13 double slash 2, you'll get 6. Watch. You'll get 6. But what if you want the remainder? Instead of the quotient, what if you want to print out the remainder itself only? Well, then we use the percentage symbol, shift number 5 key. So we can put 13 percentage 2, okay? And that'll give you 1. Yeah, it gives you 1. 13. How about this one? We can do let's say 22. Oh yeah, 3 divided by 2. Instead of 3 divided by 2, I'll put 3 percentage 2. It's 1. Okay. Now we're gonna get into some statements. So what statements can we say? Well, you can do so if you put like 1 is equal to 1, equal to 1, it'll say true. You can say so whatever you put or comparing, it'll either say if it is true or false, only in the shell. In the real program, you have to make it work out. So you can say how about we say 3 greater than 2? True, right? What if we say 2 greater than 3? it'll say false. So yeah, these are the basic things you have to remember in order to like start your programming. Okay. So now we're gonna go into making our first Python program. So we have to click on the file button on the top left corner. You click on new file or control N, and then you can, okay, sorry guys. And then let's start with a small program. If you guys want more programs like these, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I'll try to add in more programs like these. Okay. So one thing we can put is print welcome uh, to Python. Okay, this is our first program. And what do you want to do if you want to run it? Well, if you want to run it, you have to click on this run button. But before you run it, you got to save it. So you can take out any file you want. I'll do mine. This is gonna be mine. So you can put in any name. I'll just put programming dot first program underscore program dot py. All right. And then when we click run, it pops up right here. Okay, well, that's it for today. If you guys want more videos like these, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to start making more programs in the next video. Bye.